two platforms that claim to power your online empire, but which one actually gives you the edge? On the left, Kajabi, the all-in-one course and marketing powerhouse. And on the right, Mighty Networks, the community builder with courses and genuine connections. Let's cut past the jargon and compare what really matters. Each category gets a score, and by the end, you'll see which platform truly wins out. The final result just might surprise you. Here's a bird's eye view of where these two platforms duke it out. We're talking about core focus, branding and customization, marketing and sales tools, community and engagement, pricing and ROI, integrations, and mobile experience. Ready? Let's jump in. So, first up, core focus. Kajabi, it's honestly like the Swiss Army knife for digital entrepreneurs. We're talking course creation, website building, full-on email marketing, and even sales automation. It's all in one. Kind of wild, right? But, full disclosure, if you're hoping for deep, active community magic, it's not their main gig. Now, Mighty Networks, this is for people who geek out over real connections. You've got community stuff front and center. Member-to-member chats, live events, even AI-powered engagement. That's kind of cool. Courses are there, yeah, but they're more like an add-on. Bottom line, if you want to market and sell digital products, Kajabi is king. But if your heart's set on building a buzzing community, Mighty Networks is the real MVP. All right, let's talk style, branding, and customization. Kajabi rolls out sleek website templates. Plus, you can tweak colors, arrange layouts, and make coaching offers look legit. Only hiccup? No white label mobile apps. Kinda stings if you were hoping to slap your logo on an app. Then there's Mighty Networks, which actually lets you go wild. You get custom domains, UI colors. Their Mighty Pro tier even lets you drop a white label app in app stores. The downside? Their base website setup is, I'll just say, not super flexible. So Kajabi wins on website visuals, but Mighty Networks scores with branded apps. Moving to marketing and sales tools. Kajabi goes all out, like literally. Complete sales funnels, killer landing pages, even advanced automations. Email marketing is baked in, so broadcasts, segmentation, you get all the grown-up business features. The catch? If you're only using half of those tools, it can feel like you're paying for the full package but only eating the fries. Mighty Networks, on the other hand, it keeps marketing kinda simple. Their selling power depends a lot on community-driven growth. You do get landing pages and Zapier if you pony up for the big plans. But if you want bonkers built-in marketing, you'll have to bring your own tools. And yeah, so for this round, Kajabi easily takes the win. Oh, and here's something cool. Mighty Networks was actually founded by Gina Bianchini. You know what's wild? She also created Ning, which was one of the OG social networking platforms, way back before Facebook was everywhere. Just a classic bit of internet trivia for you. Now, let's nerd out about community and engagement. Kajabi does have community features, like live chat and basic member spaces. You could build a membership, run a group, sure, but community isn't their heartbeat. Mighty Networks? Wow, game changer here. Think live events, chats, niche groups, and even AI that matches people together. Their whole DNA is about organic, real-time connection. The crowd actually grows through member invites. So it's not just another forum. If having your audience interact and network is your vibe, Mighty Networks sweeps the floor here. Okay, pricing and ROI. Kajabi isn't cheap. Straight talk. You get tons for your monthly payment, from course hosting to email blasts, websites, all in one. If you plan to use every bell and whistle, it starts to look like a good deal. But if you only want a few pieces, yeah, you'll feel that price. Mighty Networks starts much lower, so it has major appeal for folks wanting unlimited members without breaking the bank. Social creators get huge bang for buck. But heads up, if you want a white label app, Mighty Pro's gonna run you $360 a month. So suddenly, not so affordable. Honestly, they're both worth it, depending on what you actually want to build. On to integrations. Kajabi says, bring it on here. Calendly, MailChimp, Google Analytics, the list goes on. You can plug all sorts of tools in, so your workflow can get pretty slick. Mighty Networks does Zapier, but mostly at the higher tiers. And the built-in options, well, it's just not as many. So Kajabi totally flexes here. If you're big on connecting apps, that's your pick. Last one, mobile experience. Kajabi's decent, don't get me wrong. The sites look good on mobile and the app's fine, but you're stuck without a branded experience. No option to fully custom your own app, and that's a bummer. Mighty Networks steps it up big time with branded white label apps if you go pro. The whole thing feels like your brand in people's pockets, which is kind of the dream. On basic plans though, you don't get all those slick extras. Still, for true mobile power, Mighty Networks is the clear winner. All right, so let's step back and look at the big picture, right? Imagine a radar chart. Kajabi spikes on marketing, integrations, and the business in a box feel. Mighty Networks, its numbers go way up for engagement, community magic, and mobile branding. It's all about picking your priority. So my honest take, go Kajabi if you want to control the whole marketing funnel, launch polished courses, and feel like the CEO of your digital business. But hey, if your heart is in building real community, bringing people together, hosting events, and getting that organic buzz, Mighty Networks is the platform that just gets it. Pick what fires you up. Ready to jump in? The best way is to try both. Seriously, start a free trial, poke around, and see which one just clicks with your vibe. Good luck building your online empire.